Yeah, here at the cribbo. Blizzard of 2015, snowed in with the kids. There's Nene. How you doing, Nene?
Good.
What are you guys up to? Hi. Come on, don't do that.
I don't want to get recorded. Hi.
Trying to freaking make a little video so we'll remember the Blizzard of 15.
Don't post that.
Don't post it?
I said don't.
Why?
Because I'm being a bum.
You're gonna be a bum. Still the Blizzard of 2015. Not good news. 2015, almost 3 feet we're hitting.
Stop. No.
Ha 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 ha! Get me during the Blizzard of 2015.
Dramatically.
Who are you talking to?
Lewis, be out, Dre.
Recording
Be
you.
out. Get the girls, get the girls.
The hell's going on in here?
Tell her that she didn't break her leg if I could do this.
No, don't do that. Don't be getting rough like
Why are you
that.
recording me?
Cause I'm making a video of the Blizzard of 2015, so we can remember it forever.
Hey, stop.
The power's going down. Mom, the power's going out.
And of course, y'all know me, Drama.
Yeah.
DraMacita.
What happened?
Get out.
Can't even see me.
I'm trying to see you. The blizzard out there, and the light makes a difference.
It's not just snowing anymore.
Y'all, peace, man. Blizzard of 2015.